Hey guys, another ice status on Beaver Lake near Tamworth and Erinsville, Ontario, Canada. This is 2 days since our last check on the ice. Since then we've had weather that's been plus 3, plus 5 through the day. Lots of rain, freezing rain, and thunderstorm last night. So let's have a look. Surprisingly, it doesn't look a whole lot different from the air. But there's some pretty mushy looking spots out there and a lot of surface water. I would be extremely careful out there if you venture out on the ice. Here's a guy's ice hut. I zoomed in mostly just to see if it was starting to sink into the ice or anything like that. And it doesn't look too bad, a little wet around the edges there. Nice paint job, by the way. Looks real good. So this is on South Beaver Lake, more or less near the Neville Point Boat Launch Park area. Here's the channel between the two lakes with an inset showing the status 2 days ago, so you can definitely see that the open part has broadened out a little bit. Here's that same area looking at it from North Beaver Lake. Zooming around, looking at North Beaver Lake. Again, a lot of surface water. Hard to tell, I'm a little too high up here. But there's a lot of surface water there. And you can see it's looking a little soft in a lot of areas. Just a quick look around. Hope you enjoyed. And like and subscribe below. Thanks again for your time.